Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Oculus Go. And this, just like I said in my unboxing, I thought it might be the best VR headset that I would recommend for everyone, and it really is. For a $200 to $250 price range, this is just awesome. It's a purely wireless virtual reality headset. It has a good motion control that really keeps up with all your movement. And overall, it just feels really good. You can wear it for a long time. It does get hot like a lot of VR headsets, but I will say that Xiaomi was the builder for this and they did a good job. It really is just impressive, just the quality of this. Not really any lag, not really any hesitation or hiccups, which I was afraid of. But for $200 and all of the content that Oculus offers, again, they have started offering a lot of sports things as well as like rooms for, of course, like Facebook wants us to get more social. It really is increasing on the social aspect. Now, the thing I do like about this, which I didn't like at first, is I thought this controller was a little bit limited. And what I found out is that in certain games, you can actually even play with a gamepad. So you connect it through Bluetooth, use a gamepad, and you have a better experience for certain kind of content. So I do like that because I did notice, like in Oculus video, I wasn't able to move my seat in the movie theater anymore, but with the gamepad, I could again. So just know that there are different aspects that this controller cannot do. However, I will say this, for content-wise, it's really great. Lots of fun things like first-person shooters, from learning how to speak Spanish, to traveling the world, to being front row seats at a baseball game, or a basketball game, or a boxing match, or a UFC fight. That's really cool. The fact that you can do these kind of things is really awesome. And as you get more into like the alternate life or the VR simulation, you really are getting like Sims kind of games built into this, which is really cool. Again, if you want to lose yourself in it, that's awesome. You can. And again, for 200 bucks, I love no cables, nothing around it. And the battery life isn't too long. It's about, I would say on my experience, closer to 3 hours than the 4 hours it's promised, but it could be because I was playing more games and that drains the battery a little bit more. Overall though, good experience with this. And if you are planning on getting a VR headset this holiday season, this is the one to get for any family member. I do recommend going a little bit higher price to get the more storage, just because some of these games fill up quickly. So please keep that in mind. All right, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Is there another VR headset I should take a look at this year that you're really interested in? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.